Jamboard is an interactive whiteboard that lets you and your classmates collaborate in real time. Let's see how it works. A lot of times in my class, what I'll do is embed a link to a Jamboard in a Google Doc that's already here for you. So let's pretend that you're in your classwork packet. You see this link to an activity called Mood Meter. You click it, and this page would come up. This is a Jamboard. So I've already put some activity in here, and basically the idea is you put a circle on the graph that indicates how you feel. And an explanation for each part of the graph is right here on these sticky notes. You'll see tools on the left right here, everything from a marker to an eraser to a sticky note to adding pictures to adding shapes or even text boxes if you like. So what I would do here is maybe click the marker button. You'll see if I hold it down, it has different types of brushes and markers. I can even change the color if I want. And I can draw a circle here. Oh, I don't like that. I'll hit the undo button. Try it again. There it is. You'll also notice that in the top center here, I can change frames. So if I click this right arrow, it takes me to the next frame. I've set up another page here asking you to respond to what trends do you see about the class? How are we feeling as a whole? Maybe I want to put a sticky note, and this is probably what I would ask you to do is you click the sticky note on the left here. You can change the color if you want and type a message. I notice the class is feeling calm and positive. Save, and there it is. I can resize it. I can even rotate it. If I click the three dots, it lets me edit it or delete it or even duplicate it if I want to make a copy. So that's just how Jamboard works. Now, let me show you Peardeck. Peardeck's another tool to make Google Slides interactive. This is from the teacher end. So I might project this and say, hey, go to this website right here, joinpd.com, and enter this code. I'd wait for students to join, and then I would start. A lot of times I'll just give a link, though, and I'll drop it in the chat box, and you can plug it right in. Click the link. Here you are. Now, this is from the student end. So this is what you would see when I give you the link. You click the link, you join the presentation. Okay. Now we're going to interact on this question in my Google Slide presentation. How do you feel about using remote learning apps in English class? I'll answer it by saying, I'm feeling very confident because I love interactive ways to collaborate with classmates. And then on the teacher end, this is the teacher end, I can hit show responses, and there's your response. Maybe the student wants to write another response. I'm also feeling nervous because I don't know about all the tools. Back on the teacher end, I see this. Now, this was just one student that was typing a response, but we'd have the entire class typing responses, and I would be projecting my screen, sharing my screen, so we could see how the entire class is responding. This is just one way that Peardeck is used, but it's another great way to have interactivity and collaboration during our class. All right, you just saw Jamboard and Peardeck. You ready to give it a try?